Hi everyone, I'm George and welcome back to the Anime Grove. And you see a lot of changes. I'm sorry that it's been so long since I last uploaded this show, but if you don't follow my Ruby content, when I mentioned it, I moved to Japan, so it's been a really complicated month. So now we're back on track, but it's been so long. I'm really hyped to come back into the show. Now, I used to use a VPN in order to, skip your restrictions when I watched things in Crunchyroll. But here in Japan, that's not very legal, let's say. So I have to find ways around it. So most of the shows are here on Netflix, but not all of them have English subtitles. I was lucky, Chainsaw Man does have them, so we can continue it, but I don't know how much it will affect the other shows. In any case, really want to get into this because last episode was fucking absurd, insane. I think I cried, and if I didn't cry in the episode, I can tell you I did cry when I rewatched it later while editing, because my god, Jimena's scene. I love her, she's my favorite character, no doubt, hands down. And what the hell, Makima can't be dead. She must have some kind of power to come back, because it's impossible. In any case, really eager to get into the show, so let's get into it. This isn't a market substitute, so grab your legal copy and watch it along with me. This is Netflix, and if you enjoy my content, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to join the Keepers of the Grove and help me continue growing the channel. In any case, let's get into it. Chainsaw Man episode 9 reaction, go! Man, and this track was fucking insane. This, like, really smooth track, but so sad, and she was disappearing bit by bit, and she couldn't even kill it in the end, because of the fucking snake demon, devil. Oh, she lost an entire fingernail. That didn't go that way last time. The ghost devil had the head inside the mouth last time. Power, I guess. Oh, the ghost devil's still alive. Oh shit! I wasn't sure if the ghost devil would still be able to come back. Convenient, there was already a space there, but I think that might have been an animation error. What's the name of these guys? He seems like the machete devil? Yeah, tell him. But he already died and didn't work. How did he recover from being shot in the head, though? Without eating anything? Was it just that his sword was full? So that's her price for using the devil. Sawatari. Shit, now they have to bolt their backup. I love how Denji does full taijutsu on the beach. Fuck, I'm so cold. Oh shit, wait. Okay, so these guys are... Oh shit. Aim for his heart. Weren't they supposed to keep it intact? He's kicking them, not killing them. Because they kill. Are these guys like working for the gun devil? That's why they have guns when they're forbidden? Okay, I thought he crashed his... Nah, he doesn't give a fuck. He's going to cut it in half. He's going to kill himself. Killing himself, this guy. Nah. He's dead. Oh shit! Denji became Denta. Is he going to What the fuck? How can he come back from that? So I guess Denji's kind of immortal. If he drinks blood, he can heal anything? That's a powerful statement, actually. And so sad. No matter how strong you are, you lose 2 guns. Is that an eye? Fuck. And the other devil hunters. Where's Himen? Not Himeno, the nervous girl. Just like that. She... Kyoto station! I live in Kyoto! Yo! That's cool. Are these guys not getting shot?
Makima-san, 死んでる。
じゃあうちら待ち損かよ。
Is that all they care about? Do they know she comes back or some shit and that's why they keep waiting? Nah, right? That's her, right?
No.
Yeah. That is her. She's not hurt on the head, right? Or maybe there's still...
死体があるから
マキマさん、その血は
どこか撃たれましたか？
これは返り血。私は撃たれなかった。
What? What? First of all, now she is telling people that she wasn't shot, so she was not supposed to come back. There's something fishy there then, and she straight up killed all of them. What devil is she holding a contract with? And she just straight up goes all bloodied around.
正確な情報はまだ来ています。
法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。
Are those going to be sacrifices or
近くに
something?
あるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。
Why a shrine? Is it required for devils?
私の着替えもお願い。
They're being well fed, so and shouldn't they be chained up so they don't riot and kill them, possibly kill themselves or try to escape? You know, like so chill, right? Like for example, if all those prisoners got up and all tackled the side of the vehicle, I can tell you that's going to swerve and go down. So. This show again, I had forgotten. I like how they take their time on this kind of simple actions, but the fact is, it takes a lot of time. It can feel like patting, but if you pay attention, you can see it's so fluid and the movements are so well done that it's actually a flex they're doing by letting you see the entire motion and how everything is so perfectly animated. Man, this is a 10 out of 10 animation when they don't go into CGI. I'm sorry, I hate CGI.
すぐに行きます。
Didn't he say I'm going to carry him around like this? Next up, he has someone else carry him.
お前も手伝え。おい。
What's the matter though?
おい、持てよ。
変な感じってどういう？
Okay. Okay, I thought he was about to get hit by something, not straight up get a look at it. Shit. And why random ones? So it is Makima. It's related to that crow maybe, or raven? Does she kill someone and then someone else dies? Is that how it goes? She crushes them like that. So it's like voodoo. Oh shit! Is it like the voodoo devil or something?
井上隆
This show.
と言いなさい。
As Hasten would say, that's your answer, but can't she do it against the
外してよし。
people with powers? Or doesn't she want to? She doesn't know their names? What's the matter? And how did she learn everyone else's names then? Oh, she is alive. She had both hands up last time. Oh, Arai, he straight up took it for her. Man, I like that I didn't like her that much, although I can excuse her freaking out. But I like that
Heavy. Spot.
Tail? Oh. Oh, she has to issue a command. Oh, wait, she's insane. What the hell? What the fuck? She's actually insane with it? She's got a gun now. His gun? Ah, no, the gun she pulled from the floor, I guess. Zero fucks given. Why is she straight up Aesop's though? Is that her devil?
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。この仕事してたらおかしくなる。
It's such a heavy toll, and this show depicts it so well when you see him. Fuck. Man, RIP Arai, RIP Himeno.
今さんの指揮下に置きます。
So, she's going to be the leader of all of them? Her smile's kinda sus though. Like, she
あとこれを
何？
came up winning out of this.
僕の辞表です。
They're all marked by this card, like Arai was. Arai was marked like that, right?
最後にどこまで想定していましたか。
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まだ渡しておくね。
So she knew everything probably, and let all those people get killed because now due to personnel shortage, she's the boss. So that was honestly such a great episode. Like, what the hell? What is Makima plotting? What is she doing? What's she trying to do? Was she behind of this? I doubt she was, but she came on top, and she seems to have known this was going to happen and let it happen so she could come back and come out of it on top. So, man, I really don't trust Makima. Why are they still alive? How is... Was she... no, Himena is the one. No, she's the ghost lady. Why is... the one with Arai... I'm sorry, I can't remember her name. Why is she so OP? Like, she's special ops or something? She soloed the most... What the hell was that? Her devil contract, because we really don't know which one it is. Man, Arai, that really hit me hard though. Especially because he was also terrified of death. But he straight up jumped into his own death when he saw she was about to die. So, man. Bless him. You know what I mean. In any case, thank you so much for visiting my channel, for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. So, peace out.